And now I'm going to show you how to make your own buttermilk with only 2 ingredients, white wine vinegar and whole milk. Okay, because I don't really have buttermilk in the house very often. I feel like I only ever use it for like mashed potatoes, but it really adds a nice balance to these biscuits. So, start with 3/4 cup of milk, and then 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. There we go. And you may say, Sierra, but won't that curdle the milk? Yes. So, just don't agitate it too much. And that's totally fine, because if you look at buttermilk, it has little chunks in it too. And it does not affect the integrity of the biscuits at all. It just adds a really nice flavor.